Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop, an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse designed to make your life easier. With an astonishing 11,000 pascals suction power, this device effortlessly tackles carpets and hard floors, leaving them spotless and free from debris. Its innovative TruEdge adaptive edge mopping and dual ZeroTangle technology ensure every corner and edge of your home is cleaned with precision, while preventing frustrating hair entanglements. The DEEBOT T30S also boasts advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance, thanks to TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and True Mapping 2.0, ensuring a thorough and uninterrupted clean. Plus, with intelligent deep mopping capabilities, it can identify heavily soiled areas, rewashing and remopping for a pristine finish. Control is a breeze with voice commands, Apple Watch, and smartphone integration, allowing you to start cleaning with just a simple touch or command. And with up to 180 minutes of runtime and fast charging, this device is perfect for large homes, providing a seamless cleaning experience every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.